As you can tell from my hair, it just takes forever to dry, so we could be here a while. Good morning everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I come to you this morning with wet-ish hair, towel dried hair, because I am reviewing a new product. It's not the Olaplex. I have used the Olaplex before. It is the bonding oil. I have never used this before, so I thought I might as well do a quick video to tell you a little bit about it and what the results were like when I've used it. So I have used the number 3, and then I've used the number 4, the shampoo, to wash the number 3 out, and then the conditioner. For anybody that's new to Olaplex, I can do a more in-depth video. If you'd like me to, please comment below if you would like me to talk you through these, how I use them, and yeah, I'm quite happy to do that. So basically it just says on the back, dramatically improves overall hair health, strength and texture with Olaplex's patented bond maintenance system. So basically, for anyone that's got dry, damaged hair, I have highlights, I am naturally dark, so anyone that's having bleached hair, this is amazing to put that health and shine back into your hair. So the bonding oil, back to this. So it just says use every time you style to boost shine and heat protect up to 232 degrees Celsius. So I have applied the bonding oil. I am now going to blow dry my hair. I just thought I'd make this video really quick so I can let you know what I think. So it's just a small bottle like this, and you only need a tiny little bit. And as you can see, it's got the little dispenser at the top there, so you just need to obviously tip and just put a few drops on. I have just gone through my lengths, not gone onto the root, because obviously I don't want my hair going greasy, and my hair is quite prone. I'm not really a massive fan of oils, to be honest, so this is very new to me, but I want to give it a go and let you guys know what I think. So let's crack on and get my hair dried. As you can tell from my hair, it just takes forever to dry, so we could be here a while. Okay, so this is the result after I have just blow dried my hair. So obviously I will be running the straighteners through it, but just letting you know what I thought about it. So as I'm drying it, it was the easiest it's been to manage, to brush through, and it seemed to dry quicker. It feels really soft. It doesn't feel greasy yet, but again, I will know more once I've straightened it. But so far, it's so good. It feels healthy. It doesn't feel dry on the ends, so I'm really impressed so far. So I am now going to get my straighteners, because my hair is so thick, it isn't the smoothest when I blow dry it, so I need to get my straighteners on it, and then I can show you the final result. But I am really impressed, and I think it's made a big difference. So I'm just really shocked that it doesn't feel greasy. I've used oils in the past, and I can just tell that after my hair just doesn't feel like it sits properly, or it's just hard to brush, or you know when it just feels like it's almost sticking to your head almost. So yeah, I'm really impressed. Right, let me get my straighteners on, make it look smoother, and I will show you in a better light as well. It's not the best light in here, so I will be right back with the final result. Okay guys, so I was trying to find a better light to show you the results, but the weather has been horrendous today, and the light around the house hasn't really changed much. So I just thought I'd quickly show you here. Really happy. It literally just feels like I've just come out of the salon. It feels really soft, not greasy at all. And you know, when you can just tell you just come out of the hairdressers and it just feels really nice, really manageable. So I would give this set a 10 out of 10, because obviously I've used all these this morning. And then let me just pop this back in. The bonding oil, which obviously completes the set. So if you've got any money over Christmas, you know, by all means treat yourself to this. It is 100% worth it. So again, I will do a more in-depth video later on if you want, but basically just talking you through what I did. So the number 3, which is the hair perfector, I put it all through my roots, all my lengths. So I just wet my hair, towel dried it, and then put that through. I did leave it on probably for about an hour, a good hour, and it does only say I think about 20 minutes, but the longer you can leave it on, the better it is for your hair. I know some people actually, I think they sleep in it, some people. Now I couldn't, because I could not sleep with damp hair. So yeah, that is something that some people do. Then I wash that off with the number 4, which is the Bond Maintenance Shampoo. Just basically, again, that does go a lot further. They do only look like small bottles, but when you obviously wet your hair, it does make quite a nice, you know, it lathers up quite quickly. So yeah, there's that. And then the number 5, Bond Maintenance Conditioner. I did leave that on probably for about 5 minutes, wash that off, and then obviously I've applied the oil before I blow dried my hair. And it does actually say that you can use this in between washes, so I will give that a go as well. I don't know at what point I would need that, whether it's just if you need to run your straighteners through again, I'm not sure, but maybe it could be good for flyaways. I'm going to look more into that. So yeah, so thank you for watching. I hope it's been interesting to watch for anybody that hasn't used it or is looking into using the oil, because you can buy these individually, but this does actually work out better value, this set. I can't obviously say how much because it was a gift, but I know it does work out better value to get it as a set. So I was thinking about doing a quick video of what I got for Christmas. I have started using something brand new for my skin. I've been using it for a few weeks now. I am going to tell you all about it and what I've been using, but I did get a few bits for Christmas and another few extras. So if that is something that you would like to see, please comment down below. And again, thank you for all your support. I am getting a little bit better and a bit more confident on camera, but I really do appreciate any support that you guys give me. So enjoy your new year, and I will see you in 2022, and let's hope that this next year is a better one for all of us. Wishing you good health and happiness for the new year, and I will see you soon. Bye.